You just found the 2024 Cadillac LYRIQ. Immerse yourself in EV luxury in this stunning LYRIQ. From its hushed premium cabin to its solid feel, dazzling touchscreen display, rapid charging capability, and impressive range, this strikingly elegant vehicle elevates every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moon roof, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate. Premium luxury meets EV efficiency in this stylish LYRIQ. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.